Hello everyone. In this video I am going to tell you how to utilize our time. We want to utilize our time but still we procrastinate to do something productive thing. Why? Have you ever thought? You have to think why we again and again procrastinate. We want to do something new. We want to learn English. We want to achieve our goal but still we are thinking we unable to do. The reason is you are everyday procrastinate, so that's why. If you have courage, you have determination, but still you unable to crack your interview, you unable to achieve your goal, you unable to speak front of people. Why? Just because of procrastination. Sometimes we think I'll start to learn English tomorrow. I'll start to learn English Tuesday, Thursday, Wednesday. And then that day came and then we think, no, yeah, I don't want to learn English. I'll start tomorrow. And what happened? Tomorrow never come. Why? Just because of procrastination. So how to overcome this situation and how to deal this situation to do something new? If you want to achieve your goal, if you want to do something bigger, if you want to learn English, so you have to do everything like what you want to, like you want to learn English, so you should start to write, you should start to speak, you should start to read different kind of book. Why I'm telling you guys? And what about me? Every day, you know what happened? Deepavali, I already mentioned that word and again I want to mention Deepavali around the corner, and every day I'm getting time, and that times I simply put earbuds in my ear and then simultaneously I'm giving facial, I'm giving hair spa, and that times I'm also listening to podcast video related to English. Why? Because I have courage to do something new. I have productive things to do to implement my goal. If you have determination, so you should start to do something new, because without determination it's not possible to achieve your goal. You should start to do healthy habits. Why I'm telling you, every day I'm giving my 100%. So that's why I'm speaking front of camera. You should think positive. When you will think positivity, so you will attract positive. When you will think negative, so you will attract negative. Sometimes we think lot of things like what I'm doing, what I'm doing. When you will doing something good thing, so that times you should to think like yes, it's worth for me, so that's why I'm doing these things. And when it's come to the scrolling phone, you know, till morning to evening, so that times you have to stop yourself. This is not good to scroll. I have my goal and I want to start to achieve my goal. So I should start to do something new. Like how can I achieve my goal? You should think. You should stay peaceful area and then you have to think what I'll do, what I start to think to achieve my goal. and then you will achieve. If you want to public speaker, so you should speak front of mirror. You have to record your small video. You have sometimes what happened, we have stories, so you should tell your story. You don't have any environment, it's okay, but you have phone, you have smartphone to record easily. No anyone listen your sound, your speech, but you are listening your speech. When you will make mistake now, so that time simply correct your mistakes also. Mistakes makes perfect. And what about me? Every day, when I'll record, now I'm recording my session, so I did lot of mistake. It's okay. But now I'm giving speech front of camera. When you will give front of camera now, so that time it's Herculean task to maintain your speech, your eye contact, your gestures. And why I'm telling you, friends, you should start something productive thing, because sometimes what happens, we feel very bored and we think like, let's call my friends and let's talk and let's go some outside and then fun. How many times you will do, tell me? Every day you are spending your time, you are spoiling your time. Nowadays you are killing your time. One day time kill you, isn't it? So don't kill your time. You have to utilize your time. Yeah. When you will listen podcast videos, so that times sometimes what happen, we don't know vocabulary. So that time immediately you will go Google and search what is the exact meaning. And when it's come to the giving speech, when you will record your session, so that times you should start that vocabulary, and then you will learn easily vocabulary brick by brick. And what about me, friends? I'm not thinking about big vocabulary. Why? My first priority is I want to become a fluent speaker. I want to become a good speaker. Without any hesitation, I want to good speech front of camera, front of public. This is my ultimate goal. When it's come to the speaking Hindi, so that times we made lot of mistakes. And what about, this is our second language, this is not our native language, so obviously we will every day speak, we are not comfortable to speak in English, because till morning to night we speak only Hindi, only our mother tongue. So how we will improve our spoken English? This is not cup up to learn English easily. It's take time. So it's take time. When you will learn English now, so you should tell why I'm learning English. Just because I want to build my confidence, I want to improve my spoken English, that's all. So how's my video? If you like my video, so please guys subscribe my channel and share with your friends and family. So now I am going to wind up this video because time is running. Bye and take care.